back with another fight because I mean my last video didn't get that much likes already, but oh well, I'm still doing part 2 now. I'm going against someone who you'll see in a minute. 7 minutes later. Sorry about the wait, guys. Oh, I'm getting ready for the fight, dude. I'm totally gonna win against this thing. God, dude! God, dude! What are you doing, man? God, what do you think you're doing, dude? Close up the beak, man. God, dude. I already broke your beak, dude. One, two, three. God, dude, I won already. No way, I just won again. See you in the next video, guys. God, dude.